red button again. Oh, it's recording. Hey, what's up, vlog? So, we're off to...
Wait, where are we going again?
Darwin Falls again. Oh. And then we're going to...
Apparently, so that's we're gonna go Darwin, then the Rock Pools, and then if we want to go wherever that place was.
Okay.
If not, we're gonna go Byron.
Okay. Oh, so guys, we have a newcomer to the vlog, and that is Sion Gibson.
Hey vlog, my name is Sion.
Middle name?
My name is Sion Janet Gibson.
Janet
Stop making fun of my middle name.
And how are you feeling today to go on this adventure?
I'm feeling so excited. I've been waiting all week to vlog and hang out with my amazing, wonderful friends.
That's us.
Who do we have today?
It's Ariel again. Let's introduce, who do we have here?
Yoza! We back, baby, we back. Welcome back. Here with Gav. We're in the car. You already know what I'm saying. We're gonna go to Darwin Falls. We're gonna jump off the top. Maybe once. Pretty scary. And who do we have here?
Stop, please. What speed are we on, boys?
And how fast are we going right now?
160 something. Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna cut the cameras off so we can have a little jam session on sand type shit.
And we're back.
We've actually met up with Evan, Ryken, Kobe, and Harry.
Say hi to the vlog.
Okay.
Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog, guys.
Kick you off.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog, Harry? Okay.
We've got to actually jump this fence. John's first time here, so how are you feeling about this first experience?
I'm feeling pretty good, excited, nervous. I'm about to fall over.
How are you feeling about, have you ever been here?
No, first time experience, a little bit nervous too.
A bit nervy.
A bit nervy, you know.
It's pretty scary, not gonna lie. And oh, okay, Evan's just jumped.
Looks pretty scary, not gonna lie.
Wait, should we take the camera with us?
Yes.
Okay, so is Ryken gonna jump? Ready? Are you gonna? Okay. It's so fun though. Wait.
What are we doing? Front flip. What are we doing off this one?
Death dive. Oh, look at that back. I see, John.
Are you gonna jump from up there or here?
I don't know yet. Guys, I'll admit, I'm actually a little bit scared. What the hell?
Hope I don't drop you, eh? The more you think about it, the more you won't want to do it. Think about this, you can say, oh my god, I just jumped off, and it'll be fine. One.
Hey guys, so Sion just jumped off. So proud. And then Sion, how was the jump?
It was actually low-key scary. I did a little scream.
But it was fun, hey?
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, but now I'm gonna jump off the big one again. And Sion is gonna join me.
No.
Who wants to do the big one with me?
Me.
But there now. We're just sitting here, waiting for them to jump. Okay.
Oh, fuck me.
I'm shaking a little bit.
Does that hurt?
Have you jumped off this one before, Flynn?
Oh,
I can just jump. So why don't you jump off this one? Do it for the vlog.
what should I do?
Just jump. Will he jump? The big question of the day. I jumped from here, faced my fears.
Yana has bigger balls than me. Big jump.
Yeah, I jumped. It was actually really scary. I stood there for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, we're rolling. What the actual fuck? Okay, we are videoing. What the actual flip? What the hell? And rate the jump, Jordan.
6. Going 6 because it does hurt.
Does hurt? Would you do it again?
Yeah, if I had water shoes on.
If he had water shoes on, he would. Jordan, I'm gonna interview everyone after, alright?
Evan's about to jump off.
Video. Be careful. He did it. What the hell?
Hey, you gotta jump. Flynn's just contemplating.
You can do it. Just
Go,
don't
Flynn.
think about it.
Just jump. They're all there. Nothing's gonna happen.
This is such peer pressure.
You don't have to if you don't want to. Well, Harry's and now Flynn is sitting down. Oh, and there goes Harry. Yep, he's going.
Okay, Jordan's done.
And he's alive. Go, Flynn. And there goes Ryan. That actually looks like they go so deep.
Will Flynn jump? He's actually shaking. I can see, look at his hand. That poor kid.
You'll be fine, Flynn.
It'll be okay.
Then we gotta
Future. Oh, he did it! Yay!
Yes, I missed it.
Guys, that was actually, everyone's really brave. Like, I was gonna go for a walk to look at. Ara was taking me to look at said there's really pretty stuff. I'm actually really proud of everyone that jumped, faced their fears. I definitely faced my fears jumping off that thing.
A bit slippery. Wait for the big surprise. Okay, so ready? Bam! Such pretty water.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's so pretty.
Such pretty. And it's so flat and it
Wow.
drips down. Do you like it?
Yes, it's so pretty. You jumped off the big one.
Yes, Flynn!
Yippee.
We got the record.
I didn't get it on record because we were yapping and then we were going to turn and we didn't expect you to jump. But look, there's lots of...
What's up, guys? Today we are... So, wait, this is going to be more entertaining than this because we're the lads, lad. It's shake. Yeah. See my parkour? You really see them doing that? Chill. Oh, chill, rocking. It's a nice dam. It's a damn good time.
Oh, damn, that was a good joke.
Damn.
Oh, damn, look at Jordan.
Oh, damn. Oh, their glasses.
Hey, whose glasses are those?
I don't know, those are dusty as fuck.
Damn, they're dirty.
Washing the glass.
Ooh.
Calm down. Yeah, it's a damn good time, eh, Jordan? Yeah. Damn good time? I think I'm funny. Fuck, that's a good shot. Recording?
Pretty nice. Flynn just did the jump. So proud of him.
I actually got to let them know how I did do the jump. You know, ended up doing it. You'll see it. And then cut to the clip again.
Then we gotta
Future. Oh, he did it! Yeah.
And yeah, it was really scary, but lucky I had Rock in there to help me because I don't think I would have done it without him. So, Colby?
Hey, Flynn.
Yeah, show us those glasses there, Rocky.
Many glasses, you know.
Fuck yeah, sure.
Guys, we're back. I don't think that can be put in the vlog.
Why? Plastic gun me, yeah?
Let's interview everyone. Ariel, how do you rate this experience?
I think that it was a 10 out of 10 because no one died.
But Harry, how do you rate this experience?
Good.
Okay. Evan, how do you rate this experience?
10 out of 10.
Jordan, how do you rate this
10 out of
experience?
10.
10 out of 10.
Bracken, how do you rate it?
I rate this a 10 out of 10.
Okay. Twin Dunlop, how do you rate this experience?
I rated because I jumped a 10 out of 10.
That's great.
What do you rate it?
I rate this, I think a 10 out of 10. I think it was really fun hanging out with everyone, and I'm glad I jumped off that, not the big one, that one over there, but not the big one.
I think you would have been fine personally, but that's alright.
Hey,
There you
it's
go.
okay.
Huh?
What are we doing after this?
We're going to Byron.
We're going to Byron, I think, guys. It's been very fun. I actually haven't seen anyone go on their phones except for right now, and it's the two most antisocial people. Make sure this stays in the vlog. Two most antisocial people in the whole entire world on their phones.
Joking? Wait.
See, I still sense some antisocialness here.
Yeah, but who's got a phone addiction? You.
Not. I have the phone addiction.
Say something funny, I'll put it in.
I'm actually looking sometimes in the camera, and I said.
Something funny.
I thought you were trying to. I said that if there's a stitch up of me, delete it. All right?
No, that's funny.
No, that's not funny.
Comment down below if I should add that in. Well,
Comment down below and tell
it's not
Jordan
gonna
that
matter,
he
but, like,
shouldn't.
still comment.
Comment down below. Wait, ready? Comment down below at eggplant emoji if you've made it this far, guys. What's up, boys?
Yes, boy. Then nobody will still do it.
Yes, boy.
Get it?
No, Evan, we joked it. That joke was dry.
Oh, it's because
Okay, let's go, go, go.
I watched Jordan. It's okay.
Up, up, up. On.
Wait, I'm gonna put them on.
Good girl.
Oh my god.
Right, we'll see you guys when we're back at the car.
Did we get food, guys? We know. So I'm talking to a brick wall.
Oh, Minion Falls is fucked
Her
up.
bro's currently fucking up a frappe. Yeah, is it good? We are going to Byron again, maybe. If not, we're going to another waterfall. Kind of the same route as like the other video, but maybe better. Maybe a lot more funner. This is Howie. The car. So, Byron, here we go.
So hot. I'm glad I got this frozen Coke.
She's glad she's got the frozen Coke.
I am glad. Me too.
34 apparently.
34 degrees in this car.
31 degrees.
31 degrees. What, today?
Yep.
Today is very, very hot. Alright, well, wherever we go, I'll see you there. Yozer! What's going on, guys? Back with another vlog. Just made it to the Byron Bay Beach. Haven't shown them the view. How nice is it? Say hey. Say to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
Hello vlog, how are we?
Josh tits.
Wee.
Josh tits.
Yeah, woo! That was so funny, man. Show us your two. What is bro on? So here we are, we're gonna find a nice rock to put our stuff. Oh mate, we're out.
What have we got here, Harry and Ryan? Oh yeah, there's a blue bottle right there. Get a close up of it.
Pick up the thing and pop it.
Oh, okay, great.
Watch out. Put the rock down.
Here's what a blue bottle looks like, guys. That's what stung Ari with Esma. That wasn't very good. Now he's looking me more. Cody, set.
I'm Kylie Peterson, and I'm gonna enter the sting zone
with the blue bottle. Ooh, excruciating pain. Oh, okay. Oh, be careful. Holy shit. That was impressive. Wait, give him up.
So we've just finished up the swim and it was alright. Oh, you should have heard what the guy was sitting there when we were walking past. Me and Ryken were walking past. He's like, say something to the vlog, brother. And he goes, show us your tits. This is a segment of hanging up towels. Boom. And that's how you hang up a towel.
Buckle up, be safe, guys. Make sure you put it people need to be safe.
Hey!
Yes, exactly.
Oh, puffy?
Yeah.
She says her hair's puffy.
It's quite massive.
So is mine. Well, neither does yours, but I guess it's just how you feel about yourself.
The quote of the year is, or the motto of the year is, look yummy, feel yum. Wait, what is it?
No, look yummy, smell yummy, feel yummy.
Taste yummy to anyone who wants a taste, you know what I'm saying?
Boom, 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 hear me? Hit the rolly store with the rolly yum. Hello.
Oh my god, this song! My shoulder hurting?
Yeah, it's yours.
Yeah.
Ow. Twitching a bit.
Ow.
You gotta do this one. We probably like the biggest dickheads.
Have we told them what we're doing? So yeah guys, we're back at another bridge and we're gonna do some mad jumps, aren't we?
There's quite a lot of like people here though, but like, oh my actual.
Yeah.
Jump where I did. I really
Go Jordan.
Oh, Harry. Hi, Harry.
Hi.
Belly flop girl. Yeah, you like don't look out whenever you jump, and there's always like a little girl standing there.
Yeah, somebody right next to you jumped and then 2 milliseconds later you did a backflip on top of it. Yeah, go backflip. Duck down a little bit.
It's on the vlog, go. Oi, I can do a backflip, mate. Can I do a front flip with it? Yeah, front flip.
We have to talk to the vlog. I'll just talk to a brick wall then.
Yeah, Harry. You hear what I said?
No, what? There's
I
so many
said
kids.
Sion blended in and I couldn't find
Yeah,
it. That's so rude.
some of them are taller than that.
What's your name? Colby lad.
What are you gonna do it, Toy?
Hey? So lads, Corey. For the vlog. For the vlog.
Fucking doing already. Ow! You got some land on there. Oh. Well. How amazing is that?
So guys, we're back. We've just finished up some heavy anchoring.
Sadly, this is the end to the vlog, and we will see you all next weekend with another fabulicious.
Wait. So guys, thanks for watching the vlog. Hashtag like, subscribe, hit that notification
See you
button.